Welcome in Project Battle Helper Part 3. Part 3 is about the global hotkey registration, so the user can use functionality of this application when the focus is in another window. For example, the user can play the game and by pressing keyboard shortcuts can activate the auto mouse clicker without leaving or minimizing the game. All the code for the global hotkey is in the register global hotkey class, which is in the auto clicker itself. So it's this one here. Just before we go any further, there is no .NET APIs to register global hotkeys, but there is a native register hotkey method that can be called from manage code using the platform invocation services. The DLL import attribute specifies the name of the DLL that contains the method, and the extern keyword tells the C# compiler that the method is implemented externally. Two methods here, register hotkey and onRegister hotkey. Both takes the parameter handle the window, which is this window, so our Battle Helper project. And then important ones are fs modifiers and vk, virtual keys, as fs modifier is control and the virtual keys are F1 to F8, so the user can choose which one to pick up. Now let's go to global hotkey registration first. The global hotkey registration, two methods: activate global hotkey, deactivate global hotkey. Setting up the window handle, and then we have register hotkey, but twice. Why twice? The reason for that is the one is for current start hotkey when you want to activate the auto mouse clicker, and the one is to deactivate the auto mouse clicker. And then over here we have deactivate global hotkey. Both of methods have try catch blocks, just in case if something goes wrong. And now the current start hotkey, current stop hotkey comes from the assigning global shortcut to combo boxes on settings tab region. And we use in here the switch statement. Switch statement takes a combo box, selected index of a combo box. So based on that, it is assigning the current start hotkey and current stop hotkey, which we have specified up here. Another class that is used in the registration of the global hotkey is combo box state settings. What it does, it simply checks the value of the combo box to make sure the value is not the same for the combo box start and combo box stop, and also it takes care of enabling and disable the combo boxes. So let's have a look on the app now. If we go to settings, there is a shortcut to activate, shortcut to deactivate, so we can choose whichever we want. However, if we choose the same, we will see the window prompt that value must be different, the shortcut to deactivate. Press OK, it will go back to the previous shortcut. So that's the first part here, check value. And then the enable and disable combo boxes is responsible for this. At this stage we can change the shortcuts, right? But if we turn on the global hotkey, we will not be able to change the shortcuts because that's already assigned. In order to change it, we have to turn it off and assign it again. What is worth mentioning here is that not everyone would like to use the auto mouse clicker. So in this case, I think it is unnecessary to activate the global hotkey. Maybe the user wanna use only the target locator, right? Or the logistic tool information, but not the auto clicker. And in this case, we don't need the global hotkey. Let's have a look now how this looks like in the mywindow.xaml and mywindow.xaml.cs. So mywindow.xaml.cs first. Register global hotkey, and this one is up here, global hotkey status, I believe, and there you go. So there is two methods here, private void. That's the events for radio buttons. So if it's checked, then setting state that disable combo box, global hotkey set start, set stop, and radio button off, setting state enable combo boxes, and global hotkey deactivate global hotkey. In the main window XAML, we go to settings, and the settings is the last tab. So not much happening here. As we can see, we have combo boxes, the radio buttons, and the labels. That is everything. In part 3, register global hotkey in the project Battle Helper. Thank you very much for watching, and again, if you would like to see the code for the application, you can go ahead to the GitHub account, or if you would like to contact me, just use the email address shown on the screen. Thank you very much, and goodbye.